good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be going through the steps and troubleshooting if my car stereo speaker is blown or not. It quit working yesterday after picking up the kids from school, riding home. Like, it was just, we were having a good time, and then the speaker cut out. It's like, go figure, right? But hey, you know what? God is great. I'm blessed. It just gave me a reason to make another video for you guys. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. Alright guys, first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull your door apart. I'm not going to set the tripod up for that. I'm just going to be back as soon as I get the door apart. Go ahead and pull out your multimeter if you have one. If you don't, I highly suggest you buy one off Amazon. Yeah, I paid like 12 bucks for this one. It works great. I've had it a long time now. We're going to check the resistance between here and here. That will determine if the wire inside the voice coil is broken. So go ahead and put this right here for you guys. Hopefully you can see it. Should read about 4 ohms. So I don't believe that the wire inside is broken because it's reading 4 ohms. It may fluctuate a little bit, and that's okay. Alright, so both speakers inside this door quit working. I'm not really sure why. I checked all the wiring prior and everything looked fine. So not exactly sure what's going on. We're going to go ahead and check the super tweeter I have installed as well. And by the way guys, these are Alpine SPS 610Cs. It's a great speaker. The bass isn't that good, but when you got subs, you don't need bass out of your door speakers. We're reading 4 ohms on the tweeter. Tweeter's good, speaker's good. So now we need to go test all our wiring in the truck. First thing we're going to do is test the amplifiers, make sure everything is right with the amplifier. Alright guys, next thing I did is I just went ahead and I cut my RCA cable. Cut it here and here and here and here. And that should help me determine if my RCA cable is bad. There's probably easier ways of doing it, but I figured I'd go ahead and do it anyways if it'll focus. If you guys can see that right there, I don't know if that could be the reason why, but if so, we will go ahead and fix it. Got it all taped up. I'll get a new set of RCAs next paycheck, but for now this is gonna have to work. I'm just trying to determine if my speaker's bad or what's going on. I mean, the multimeter says it's good, so we'll see if it's actually good or not. Alright guys, hook back up, got the right speaker hooked up. We'll test the other speaker here in just a minute. Uno momento. See if it works. Got that Kenwood Exelon.
Springfield's free money station, 92.9 The Beat. It's the holiday season.
Yes,
Maybe you
still
stop
works.
by the
Alright, now it's time to test the other one. Alright guys, looks like it turned out just to be the RCA cable. Really glad I decided to pull it apart and check it before I went and bought a new set of speakers, so you can hear it working. It's hooked up. I checked the tweeter. It was fine as well, so I guess with the bass blocker on, you just can't read the ohms. You actually have to go past the bass blocker and then check it there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all wrapped up, put it back together, and then I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I got the truck all back together. Everything looking good. Need to give it a detail this weekend. Almost would think a professional did it. Looks like a professional, because I don't like that spaghetti. I like spaghetti with flavor. Gotta get the trash out. We'll be good to go. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Lots of stuff to come. This is just the beginning of the channel. It'll get better. I've already learned a lot of edits and stuff. And it's fun. It's pretty cool. Plus, if I can help somebody out, then that's awesome. Maybe in the next video, I will give you guys a demo of how this truck really sounds with everything going, the mids and highs up front, and then my subs in the back. I pushed 140.5 decibel at a car audio competition. I got second place. It's pretty cool. Pretty happy about that. First trophy ever. Wash the water bottle. Everything's working, both door speakers, the sub, everything sounds good. I hit that notification bell to see more future uploads. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm out.